We have successfully created this project till the last tutorial. Now the turn is also we have signed in here with the Power BI desktop, right? So I'll attach the links in the description below how to sign in with Power BI desktop, how to sign in or sign up Power BI service without a work or school email address, right? Now here I just created one workspace into my Power BI service, right? So I have created one video also to create a workspace there. So this workspace I have created, I'll publish this report or this project into this workspace, right? So here, just into Power BI desktop, under the home tab we have this publish option, right? Any of the project you want to publish, just we have to go to this publish option. Right here, just select your workspace. Either you need to upload it into your personal workspace, that is your my workspace, or the shared workspace. So my workspace will always your the personal workspace that cannot be shared with others, but the other, rather than admin monitoring and my workspace, other workspace will be the shared workspace, right? So here under this YouTube projects I will be uploading my works project, right? So here under the YouTube projects, just select it, click on select button. It will be publishing to Power BI. So it is success. Now if you go to Power BI service here, just if I refresh the page, you will see your report. The same name has been published, but there are two things with the same name. So first one, that is three yellow bars. This is the report, and the second one with the dots, blue dots, is the data set here. So if you open it, this report here, you will see your published report or the project, whatever you have published, you will see that work here, right? You can use this here. If you, for example, if I just click on the string, the selection will be reflected. Right now if I just click on this foods or remove it, right? So the reflections are going on, correct? So this way we can just view our report here. So whosoever is having the shared path for this report, that one he or she can review this project. So we can just go with these things, right? So to reset the slicers here, so if you see, we have just removed the header icons here. So now if you want to reset these slicers, we have already here the reset button here, this green reset button. So this, if we click on it and click on reset here, yeah, this slicer will get reset. Every slicer will get reset and the report will come into your original state.